Diving into JASMY, I know a decent amount of people have this. So similarly to Gala, we made a chart a couple of hours ago talking about the 786. You can see that JASMY is also holding the 786 if we go to the 3-day candles. So what we want to see is in fact a higher low. Every single time JASMY has come back to the same low that it's created, it actually has always taken out the low. So I would imagine that this time won't be different, which means that if JASMY doesn't end up bottoming here, it's probably going to take out the low. All right. So we can speculate that there's a low here, but that doesn't mean it's going to be. As you can see, if you zoom in, there is a downtrend here. And then obviously, if you take your fib from this high to the low, the 618 is right up here at about 4.26. And then you also have the low here at about 4.3. So my guess would be until JASMY is able to clear this area, it is technically still bearish. And as I said earlier, it's just speculation that this is the low. But if it doesn't hold, you're probably going to take out the low and then get another type of retrace to the upside. All right. So those of you that are buying in down here are gambling that this is the low. Nothing is yet confirmed. We could retrace all the way up to 4.2 and still be bearish. All right. So what you want to see in the short term is this 618 actually hold, a retrace back down to about 3.5, something like this. Obviously, if you lose 3.5, again, my guess would be you're going to come back down to the low or at least 2.87. So all in all, to wrap up the video, we can assume that JASMY is still bearish as long as it's below 4.26. Once it gets over 4.26, you can start saying that it's bullish again, very much like this. However, you could still be setting up for this if you actually cut this out and obviously drag it over. You can see that until you get over this 382, you very well may be heading lower. So, sorry, 618. So that's pretty much it. None of this is financial advice.